Hello! Good afternoon guys! It's Family Ritsma again. So nakikita niyo yung may mga tent sa likod. Kasi naandito pa kami. So bukas pa kami aalis. And ngayon medyo hindi maganda yung panahon. Kaninang umaga umulan. Ngayon naman walang ulan pero cloudy. Tapos pupunta kami sa birthday party ni Chloe. Ayan. Hello Inday Ecaths and Inday Yen. Sayang hindi makakapunta kasi may work. May work kasi siya pag weekend. So, pag mga gala, kasi kami ni Ikat pareho kaming free sa weekend. So, yun. Sabi here. Ayan, si Xavy po to. Parang manliligaw lang kay Chloe. Charot. Hindi, si Chloe ate na daw. So, ayan. See you mamaya, guys. Pero, dahil sa pagkabisi namin, hindi pa kami nakabili ng gift. So, kaya medyo maaga kami kasi pupunta kami sa center ng Dordrecht. Nag-travel na kami pupuntang Dordrecht. And before we start our vlog, isa-shoutout muna namin yung mga bago naming subscribers at yung isang paulit-ulit na nanonood talaga na taga dito din sa Netherlands, si Loris Alibay.
Loris Alibay!
Oh, grabe energy. Grabing energy ni Dudong. And ito siya, bago siya, si Crema Enriquez. Crema Enriquez. And this one, today lang siya nag-subscribe at nag-comment, si Brasley Kremer.
Brasley Kremer!
Yay! So shout out sa inyo. And ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya, i-share ko yung mga kaganapan sa birthday party ni Aling Maliit, Chloe.
Kijk, wat precies. Mooi hè?
So, ayan guys, nandito kami, kumbaga sa Pinas Saroro. So, yung mga galing kasi sa Manila papunta sa Samar na nagla-land travel, ayan, sumasakay ng Roro. So, ganito yun siya. Ayan.
Je mag gewoon pakken, denk ik, daar buiten nog.
And guys, magbabayad siya ng ticket.
Dat je het zo zegt. Even aan die wand.
Guys, may dalawa kaming mask para sa kanya at para sa akin. Kaso, ayan na, iinggit si Xavy. Kinuha niya yung mask ko.
Even wachten. Even wachten. Ja, gaat goed. 1, 2.
Oh, it's closing now, guys. Ayan, sa likod. Nag-close na siya.
Heb je Xavy?
Xavy?
Xavy, kijk mama.
Natakpan. Ay, say hi. Ay.
Oh. Hey Xavy, de boot. De boot.
Ay, umaandar na, guys. Lalabas na niya si Xavy. Labas tayo, guys. Ayan, saan kami galing?
Rijd naar het noordwesten op de kop van het land Brabantse oever en ga rechtdoor op de provinciale weg.
Hier zijn we een jaar geleden ook geweest, weet je nog?
Ja. Met de fiets.
Oh, mama looks pretty, yeah? You look good.
600 meters.
Lovely. We make a joke, love. For
whom?
no, just a joke. Knock knock something.
I just made a joke.
What?
You look pretty. No. It's jokes. Of course you look pretty. You know.
Xavy.
I don't know a joke. I know a long joke.
What?
Pinocchio and Princess and Mr. Bean are walking in the street, and Mr. Bean is saying, "Oh, I'm the ugliest person of the world."
Okay.
And then the princess says, "Oh, I'm the most beautiful girl in the world."
Yeah.
And then Pinocchio said, "Oh, I'm the best liar in the world." And then they see, how do you call it? Someone who can tell the truth? A truth teller?
Yeah, fortune teller.
Fortune teller. And they say, okay, we know what we do. We go inside. And then we know who is telling the truth.
Okay.
Because first the princess goes in, and after 5 minutes she comes out with a big smile. Oh, I'm the prettiest woman of the world. And then Pinocchio.
With feelings.
And then Pinocchio, oh, it's my turn. So he goes in.
Yeah.
5 minutes pass, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. And then he comes out with a big smile. I'm the best liar in the world. Woohoo! He's really happy. And then Mr. Bean goes 5 minutes, 10 minutes,
Tumitingin siya sa direction, guys.
and then Mr. Bean comes out, and Pinocchio and the princess say, and he really looks. Who is Valentina?
Alam mo, seryoso akong nakikinig.
Who is Valentina?
Not Wibe? Say who's Wibe?
No, that was with the princess.
Walay
I
tayo
always
nito.
do it in my class, this joke,
Yeah.
and then they don't understand the joke. They all look. There's always one who understands, and that's the one smart one. You don't put it
Hindi
on
sila
YouTube.
natawa. Why?
Maybe they follow me. They follow you.
And the
And
kid.
then they see, like, oh, my teacher, I did not laugh at the joke.
Oh my. So ayan guys, malapit na kami kina Ecaths.
We zijn er bijna, Xavy.
Naiinip na si Xavy sa likod.
A few moments later.
Good afternoon. Ayan. Pupunta na kami kina Ecaths. Ayan, feeling ko bisita nila din. Ayan kasi Asia, no? Nakikita ko may bagong ano dun sa labas ng bahay. Si Xavy parang alam niya saan siya pupunta. Nag-una-unang taon si Bulilit.
Uh-oh.
You go there. You go there. Hello.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Come, listen kami.
Happy birthday to you.
Xavy. Ano? Naulaw si Xavy. Ganyan, nag-una-una ka. Unya, karon na ulaw ka.
Alsjeblieft, het is van Xavy en van Valentina.
Xavy! Naulaw siya.
Hey, mee?
Come, kana papa. Kana papa. Xavy. Ay, ulaw-ulaw. Nakasputing raba ko. Wow. Inday Ecaths is in the house. No, Inday Val is in the house. Dali, uy! Wala, uy! Hello, Ate Chloe!
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
Nog een plakketje daar.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's taking me right. No way too deep, I won't wait till inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Zij is jarig? Ja, maar hij snapt het. Kom maar staan. Wow. Chloe, hè? Chloe is jarig. Eén, twee.
Blazen.
Attack!
He wants also to blow.
Volgende week mag jij. Dit is voor Chloe, zij is jarig.
Naki-lighter pa. Blow siya.
Wil je ook blazen?
Ik kan zo eentje nu aansteken, man. Dan kan ik blazen.
Ja.
Come.
Oké,
Kom, blazen. Go. No, go.
Ja, ik kan er niet bij. Kom maar.
Stek erbij, hè?
Voorzichtig, hè?
Je kunt niet zijn gezicht erin doen.
Nee, daarom. Blazen. Practice for next week. Ja, je bent geslaagd.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. Maybe
Kili. Where's the kili, sabi? No reaction, sabi. Uy, katawa sa uy. Naulaw. Naulaw sa dalaga, eh. Naulaw, sabi. Guys, manguli ng kay masarahan ni sa Roro. Pag third, nagkuan man may nagcamping. Bisbosh. Oh, kanya, naglabang ng tubig. Hello, Filipina. Bye-bye! This is Ecaths. So, ayun, na birthday lang.
Sa'yo next week.
Sa'yo,
Next week ba?
Oh, next week. Next week ba? Oo. Maguro? Saturday, oo. Saturday. Sige, bye-bye.
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 do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.